Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and heading straight into Settings. This avoids detours. Once in Settings, scroll or search for battery to find Realme's power tools. Make sure you note the current percentage and enable battery percentage if it's hidden so you always see exact numbers. If battery is below 20%, plug in briefly to stabilize readings before deeper checks. These quick steps get you into the right screen and set accurate conditions for diagnosis. Now, tap battery and study the on-screen summary to learn how much charge remains and which features affect it most. Once done, open battery usage to see a breakdown showing which apps consumed the largest percentage. This helps identify culprits. Make sure to check screen-on time and background activity, since those often explain fast drains. If you find a misbehaving app, force stop or uninstall it, and use power-saving options to limit background activity while you investigate further. To finish, confirm battery health via Settings or the Phone Manager tool so you know real capacity versus design capacity. Once done, calibrate if readings are off. Charge to 100% and then use normally until near empty one time to help the system recalibrate. If numbers still look wrong, restart the phone and, if necessary, boot into safe mode to rule out rogue apps. As a troubleshooting tip, clear cache or update apps before considering a factory reset or battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.